Now the 14th spanner be this.
This is a 14th spanner.
Jesus. Baba!
This is a 14th spanner, uncle. Uncle! Uncle!
Baba!
Come. Give me 14th spanner.
Okay.
Do fast. Let me check. What is wrong with this guy?
Baba, take.
Wait a minute.
Now the 14th spanner be this.
This is a 14th spanner.
Jesus. Baba!
This is a 14th spanner, uncle.
The 14th spanner now?
This is 14th spanner for your eyes.
Yes.
Panda fire you there, uncle. You are giving me a flat spanner instead of 14th spanner. Come on, will you go and give me 14th spanner? They can't apply, they give me. Give me 14th spanner, you are giving me another thing.
Yeah, no, I get you. No. Look at the 14th spanner. But I have to take the 14th spanner.
Hey! Oh! Which cannot be this one, uncle? This is a 14th spanner.
Now the 14th spanner.
Like a Monday hammer. 14th spanner for your eyes.
Hey!
So you want to tell me that for how long you have been following me to this workshop? You don't know what is 14th spanner?
Papa, I don't remember. Sorry, sir. I don't remember waiting the 14th spanner.
Idiot! You don't remember?
I take the 14th spanner.
Screwdriver 14th spanner.
You go.
Hey!
Funnypiro and the cool like father like son.